Good morning, dear students. Today we will start the new chapter, that is the square and the square roots. This is the introductory part of a square and square root. The definition of square is the square of a number is the product of the number with the number itself. The square of a number is the product of the number with the number itself. Let us take one number x. How will you find the square of that number? By multiplying x with x. Okay, the number with itself, and it is denoted by x to the power 2. Like if you take 3 into 3, that is 3 square, or consider as 9. Next, perfect square. A natural number is called a perfect square or a square number if it is a square of some natural number. A natural number is called a perfect square or a square number if it is a square of some natural numbers. Okay, if we take 1 square, that is 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16. 1 into 1, that is 1, 2 into 2, that is 4, 3 into 3, that is 9, 4 into 4, that is 16, and so on. So what are the perfect square number? A natural number is called a perfect square number if it is a square of some natural numbers. These all are natural numbers, and 1, 4, 9, 6, they are the squares of natural numbers. So they are called, so 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on, they all are called perfect square. Then how to test the number is a perfect square or not? A perfect square number is always expressible as the product of pair of equal factors. This is the most important topic, most important part of it. A perfect square number is always expressible as the product of pair of equal factors. This is if I take 4, if I find the factor of 4, the factors of 4 are 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2 comes in a pair. So 4 is a square of 2. Okay, similarly, if I take 196, what are the factors of 196? 2, that is 98, then 2, that is 49, 7, that is 7, and 7, that is 1. The factors of 196 are 2 into 2 and 7 into 7. 2 comes in a pair, 7 comes in a pair. We can write as 2 square and 7 square, and by the use of exponents we can write as like this, common square, or we can write as 14 square. So 196 is a square of 40. Let's take one question. Show that 1764 is a perfect square. You have to find if this number 1764 is a perfect square or not. First find the factors. 2, that is 8, 8 and 2, then again 2, 4, 4 and 1. This is divisible by 3, 3 ones are 3, 4s are, and 3 7s are again divisible by 3. This is 4s are and 9s are. Now this is divisible by 7 and 7. The factors of 1764 is 2 into 2, 3 into 3, and 7 into 7. 2, 3 and 7, they come in a pair, or we can write as 2 square into 3 square into 7 square, or 2 into 3 into 7 power 2, or 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. We can say that 1764 is a perfect square of 42. What you have to do, you have to find the factors and check whether the factors comes in a pair or not. If they come in a pair, there is a perfect square. Next question, show that 6292 is not a perfect square. You have to find that 6292 is not a perfect square. First find the factors of 6292, that is 2, 3, 1, 4 and 6. Then again by 2, 1, 5, 7, 3. Now 1573 is not divisible by 3. Add the numbers, it will be 16. Not divisible by 3. By no 4, 5, 6, 7. Check for 7. 7 2s are 14. 1, 17. And then 2s are 14 and 3, 33. Not divisible by 7. Then 8, no. 9, no. 10, 11. Check for 11. 11 ones are 11. Remaining 4, 47. Means 4s are 44. 3 remaining 33. It is divisible by 11. So 1, then 4, then 3. 143 is divisible by 11. Yes. 1 and 3, and 13 is a prime number. It is divisible by 13 only. So the factors of 6292 are 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 13. 2 comes in a pair, 11 comes in a pair, but 13 is a single. We can write as 2 square, 11 square and 13 single. So 13 comes in a single form, or we have not find the pair of 13. So 6292 is not a perfect square. Next question, by what least number 3675 be multiplied to get a perfect square number? You have to multiply with any one number to make this a perfect square. First find the factors of 3675. 3675, is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3? Check. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 12, that is 21. 21 is divisible by 3. So first factor is 3. 1, 2, 2 and 5. Is it 1, 2, 2, 5 divisible by 3? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5 and 5 and 5, 10. No. Next number is 5. 2s are, then 4s are, then 5s are. Then again by 5. This is 4 and 9. 49 is divisible by 7, 7 and 1. So the factors of 3675 are 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7, or we can say as 3 into 5 square into 7 square. 5 and 7 comes in a pair, but 3 doesn't come in a pair. So what you have to multiply to make this a perfect square? You need 1 3. Okay, multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Okay, now you will find 3 square, 5 square and 7 square, or 3 into 5 into 7. 5 3s are 15, 15 into 7, 105. If I multiply 3, the least number is 3. If I multiply 3 with 3675, we get a perfect square of 105. This is the last question of this variety. By what least number this be divided? Last question we have done the least number of multiplication, and this is the least number of division. By what least number this be divided to get a perfect square number? Again, find the factors. It is divisible by 2. 2 3s are, 2 1s are and 5s are and 0s are. Again divisible by 2. 1, 5, 7, 5. Now it is not divisible by 2. Check for 3. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 12, 18. It is divisible by 3. 5s are, 2s are and again 5s are. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2, 12. Again divisible by 3. 1s are. 2 remaining, then 7s are. 1 remaining, then 5s are. Now 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13. Now it is not divisible by 3. Check for next prime number, that is 5. 5 3s are 15. 2 remaining, that is again 5. This is again divisible by 5, and 7 is the prime number divisible by itself. The factors of 6300 are 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 5 into 5 and 7. We can write as 2 square, 3 square, 5 square and single 7. Here is single 7. So in last question what we have done? We have multiplied 1 3 to make this a perfect square. Now this is a question of division. What we have to divide? We have to divide 7. If I divide 7, this will become 1. Now 2 into 3 into 5 square. 2 3 is a 6, 6 5 is a 30. So 7 is the least number which must be divided in 6300. 7 is the least number which must be divided in 6300 to make this a perfect square, and that perfect square, that number is a perfect square of 30. Thank you.